don't have
Good. Mr. Ashish Gupta, can you please tell us about yourself?
any problem.
Please tell me about yourself.
Good evening, sir. My name is Ashish Gupta. I am from Solan, Himachal Pradesh. I have completed my Bachelor of Civil Engineering from Chitkara University, Himachal Pradesh in the year 2014.
Hmm.
Uh,
Yeah.
From 2014, in 2014, I got placed on campus in FCON's Infrastructure Limited, mm, which is a famous civil engineering organization. And
Hmm.
I worked in FCON's Infrastructure Limited for a period of 6 years and 10 months for
Hmm.
in heavy civil infrastructure projects. And currently, I am working with Gularmak Tata Projects Limited as senior engineer for construction of underground metro in Pune.
Oh,
That's all about me.
underground metro. Oh, in Pune,
Right, sir.
underground metro. What is the progress made in this regard? Um, is metro there in some parts of Pune now, or it is now only
Uh,
coming?
Sir, metro is operational in a part of Pune. That is elevated portion is right now
Hmm.
operational.
Okay.
But I am working in this underground package, which is not operational as of now.
Acha, how is this work done? Like say this underground tunnel making and all that. In fact, I am from Chennai, and in fact, in our place, it has come 5, 6, 10 years, 7 years back. But still, I didn't have an opportunity to visit that so far. I have never visited that um, tube train or metro train. Now tell me, how are you making those tunnels? What is the strategy adopted? From which country did we adopt this? Which country's machinery are being used by us? Which is the company that is doing this work for this? Are you, is your company the main company was it's taken up the contract, or is it your subcontractor?
Sir, firstly, we'll go point by point. First of all, you asked me that how this underground metro construction is done. So,
Very
sir, first, what is done? Detailed progress report is taken. Survey mapping is done. After survey mapping, land acquisition is done. Then underground metros are basically depending upon the strata, we can follow two approaches. One is bottom approach and other one is top down approach. So here we have a rocky strata. So what we are doing, we are following top down approach in this mm, uh, project because we have a rocky strata.
Cha, cha.
And
The you mean in under the ground it is rocky.
yes, sir. Right, you are right, sir. Under the ground, that means if we talk about the ground level, from ground level up to 8 meter, we have a mixed type of strata. That means sand, gravel, or clay is there. But after 8 meters, rocky strata starts. From 8 meter up to 50 meters, there is a rocky strata. So these underground stations are built generally here in Pune around 33 meters from the ground level.
Oh,
So
Baba.
only
33 meters below.
below ground level.
You mean the bottom of the pipe or top of the pipe?
Sir, I mean from bottom of the pipe. If that, sir, first what I'm explaining you step by step. First, this using top-down approach, sir, we go up to 33-meter deep from the ground level. Then, sir, base is constructed on that. Base slab is done of 1 meter, and above the base slab, we have these tubes which we insert for the TBM tunneling. That means we say launching of the TBM shaft. Launching shaft is made from the ground level. We have constructed one base of 1 meter. Then from that 1 meter concrete top, uh, we take 3 meter above that. This launching shaft is given for this underground drilling of the twin tunnels.
Mm. So good.
Uh,
Now
this
here, okay, I think it's a very long process. Now in that, what is your role right now?
Sir, my role currently is to, first of all, like designer has given us the strata of the soil, that this strata uh, is for this much layer of soil. That means when we do excavation, during excavation, sir, we do control blasting to excavate the rock. Uh, then only we can launch the shaft for the tunnel boring machine. So I monitor for this whether that strata is coming on the same level or not as per the DPR. I
Mm.
monitor and record the data, and as per the required construction sequence which is approved, we check the quality of materials being used in this, and then we maintain record of each and every activities which is going on during excavation phase. From
What
I
is
will say up from initiation up to completion, sir, we record everything.
what is the pay like they are giving you?
Sir, my current salary is monthly salary in hand. I get around 75,000.
Okay. Now, what is the service conditions? Can you resign with 1 month notice or 2 month notice?
Sir, in my offer letter, 1 month notice period is there.
Correct. No, that's right. Now, why do you want to jump from this place to bank?
Sir, I have been working in this civil engineering construction firms from last 10 years. I feel confident after reading the job description that my skills and expertise will be useful for taking financial decision and financial decisions for executing the different projects that are undertaken by the banks.
What is the
So
job? What is
that's
the
why I
job?
feel
What is the job role they have given?
the job role here in banks include estimation of the quantities, then valuation of the properties and maintaining its records, then supervision, monitoring, and progress reporting for different kind of construction works being executed for the banks. Uh, then floating of the quotations, invitation of the tenders from uh, different contractors. Then after that, they have given the role for estimating the budget for repair and renovation of the buildings, currency chests, uh, and other items which need maintenance. So
Super.
this is the
Good. You told very nicely. Very happy. Now, mm, what makes you think you will fit into this?
Sir, my experience is diverse because I've done residential as well as commercial projects. So I feel that the experience which I have in these residential and commercial projects, that means different type of skills which I have acquired, like problem solving skills, then technical skills, knowledge related to the rich knowledge in specification of the works, then method of execution of works. So all this will help bank uh, to to achieve its targets,
Good.
whether
Now,
financially or
uh, after
within the time frame.
आप लोग का काम में तो अभी ज्यादा करंट चाहिए, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चाहिए। ये कहाँ से आता है आपको? हु इज
Uh,
प्रोवाइडिंग ऑल दिस पावर टू यू?
Sir, actually, during the start of project, sir, we have used the diesel generators for electricity purpose. Then after that, sir, permissions from the local authorities or the government is taken
Oh,
from converting DG sets to grid power.
okay. Good, good, good.
So they have installed the transformers at our work locations. From there, sir, this electricity is being taken by us.
Good. Who are the important people in your company?
Sir, important people in my company includes everyone, whether they are engineers, whether they are workmen, or whether they are supervisors. From
Y-
of up to line staff, everyone has their equal role.
Yeah,
But I
no,
will say,
no, I am asking, is your company the main tender taker or you are doing subcontract for some other company?
sir, actually, this project basically is includes two organizations. One is Gulermek from Turkey. It is basically a tunneling related uh, infrastructure company, heavy civil infrastructure company, and one is Tata.
Mm,
Tata is one is Tata here from India. They provide general services for civil works, mechanical works, etc. So these two companies are in joint venture in 51-49 partnership for this
mhm.
underground package.
Who is 51?
51 is Gularmek and
Oh,
49 is Tata Projects. And
very
talking about the uh, machinery for the TBM tunneling and technology is being used from Gularmek only. So TBM, sir, basically they have sourced TBM from Poland.
oh, good. Now, what do you know about Bank of Maharashtra?
Sir, Bank of Maharashtra is the nationalized bank. It is a public sector bank in India. It is headquartered in Pune. Uh, Bank of Maharashtra is headquartered in Pune. Bank of Maharashtra is one of the leading uh, business uh, business provider or service giver for the economy in Maharashtra.
Yeah,
It
no,
has recently crossed a turnover of around 4 lakh crore in 2024.
yeah, you must go through that press report, press release, and learn more about them in very clearly. Please tell me
Okay.
what is what are the awards they have received?
Uh, Awards received by Bank of Maharashtra.
You might not have read.
In the
Have you read it?
I have read, but I am not able to recall it right now.
You
I'll
must
read
read.
about it.
You must read to an extent you can remember and tell. What are the corporate social responsibility activities done by Bank of Maharashtra?
Sir, this I have read in the year 2019 in COVID pandemic. So, Bank of Maharashtra and its employees have contributed to PM Cares Fund, uh, contributed around 3 crore rupees to PM Cares Fund.
Very good. No, no, I think there must be some more projects also. You must know them. Like they may be helping some scholarships. They may be helping some hospitals.
Sir, they have
So
yes, sir, right, sir. You are right, sir. One more thing is there. They have donated some food as well as clothes to the needy and poor in Nagpur during floods.
Oh, nice.
Cannot recall exactly the year, but
So
they have.
what is the weather now in Pune? Is it raining or not?
Sir, weather is pleasant these days. It's not raining every day. Uh,
But
Temperature is around 27 degrees normally these days, sir.
म- मुंबई में तो बहुत रेन होता था ना. अभी खत्म स्टॉप हो गया मुंबई रेन.
Sir, it is raining in Mumbai also, sir, these days, but
हाँ.
not that much.
ओहो. बट कभी कभी the flood is too much also. That is right. Good.
Right, sir.
So you are okay for being taken in. That's not a problem. Then what do you know about working in a bank? How will you merge with the bank? हम लोग का साथ में कैसे काम करेंगे? अब तो इतना दिन प्राइवेट सेक्टर में काम करके आते थे. अभी इधर में हमारा पब्लिक सेक्टर बैंक में कैसे काम करेगा? Yes, sir.
Sir,
There is I know there is no definite answer for this, but I some of the uh, judged questions they will ask, you must answer them.
okay. So the skills which I have acquired during my long tenure in the private organizations, like problem solving techniques, then estimation of quantities, then floating of the tenders, then knowledge about the building codes,
Good.
structural specifications, everything make me
Next,
apt candidate to this job,
next,
sir.
next question. Um, you said you have experience in tendering and all in the company. Did you really do tendering and all in the company?
Sir,
Very.
tendering processes, sir, we know what happens is that from my corporate offices, they used
So,
to collect data from for different type of activities, which uh, for which they wish to calculate the will- for which they require the rough estimate of the cost. That how much cost shall we float the shall we quote in the tender. So all that data set we used to provide from our end.
which is the topmost civil engineering company in our country now?
So Larsen Toubro Limited is the topmost civil engineering
Second,
organization.
second,
Second is Afcon's Infrastructure Limited.
your company? No.
Previous company, my ex company, sir, Afcon's
अच्छा
Infrastructure Limited.
अच्छा. अभी कहाँ काम करते हैं?
Sir, I am currently working in Gularmak Tata Projects Pune Metro joint venture.
Yes, sir. It's okay. Good. Um, why did you jump from there to this? Was the salary low there? FCons?
Sir, actually, I wish to expand my skill set in my tenure with Afcon's Infrastructure Limited. I have worked basically with industrial and marine projects. So I was not being given an opportunity to work in the metro projects. I had a dream to work and expand my skill set in metro projects. That's why,
Good.
sir, for
What
the
are
reason of
what are
learning,
the what are the cities in which metro projects have been implemented in India?
Uh, in India, sir, in basically in metropolitan cities like Delhi, Chennai, Mumbai, Calcutta, in all A-class cities, metro
Hyderabad.
has been implemented.
हैदराबाद में आया.
Hyderabad, right,
बेंगलुरु
sir,
में आया.
it's there.
बेंगलुरु में आया.
Bangalore also is there, sir. Now
तो,
it's currently going on, sir. Work is going on.
थोड़ा ये सब सीख लो. You please know what are the cities in which these metro projects are there, where it is fully implemented, where it is under progress, and
Okay, sir.
like that. All those things you have to know. Okay.
Noted, sir.
Then
Yes, sir.
next point is about banking. Of course, you told which bank you are having account.
Sir, pardon?
Which bank are you having account?
Sir, I have account in Axis Bank and Punjab National Bank.
Good. Tell only one that will do. Tell only Punjab National Bank. Okay. पंजाब नेशनल बैंक का चेयरमैन का नाम क्या है, एमडी का?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Sorry.
अतुल कुमार गोयल। अतुल कुमार गोयल। थोड़ा when you say you have an account in Punjab National Bank, they will ask you which branch, why did you open there, when did you open there, who is the chairman of that, what, how big is that bank, is it bigger than our bank or smaller than our bank? Some such cross
Okay.
questions they will put.
Okay, sir.
Good. How do you said you are not married?
Sir, I am married. I told you I am married.
Married बोला था हमने, register नहीं किया. Maybe I'm confusing with another guy. Yeah. When was your marriage?
Sir, I got married in December 2020.
Good. Is your wife working?
Sir, my wife is working in government sector with Bank of Maharashtra as a deputy manager.
आपने बोला था ना phone. I think when we were talking or phone, or you participated in some class and you told this, correct?
Sir, actually, during when I floated inquiry for preparation of this for this mock interview for
उस
this
समय
Bank
अच्छा
of
अच्छा,
Maharashtra,
करेक्ट
I told
करेक्ट।
you sir that time.
एक दिन संडे में शाम को I was talking from my basement. I remember. Yeah. Good.
Right,
Very
sir.
good. Very good. Very good. Now, what else can be asked under this? Mm, about the civil engineering companies, civil engineering opportunities. Then, what are the recent innovations happening in civil engineering?
Recent innovation, sir. Actually, for seismic structures, like we have a substructure, there
I
is a
had
base isolation phenomenon.
I had another question in my mind. Why so many bridges are falling down in our country, especially Bihar, Jharkhand, and other places? आपने सुना है उसका बारे में? What is the
Sir,
reason
yes,
for this?
I have heard the news regarding this. Sir, basically the reason for the failures include first of all design consideration. Suppose design is fine, during execution many quality lapses are many quality lapses are there because of which this there is a there are these big failures. So we should never compromise on the quality aspects during design as well as
Stop हो गया. Right. Yeah, yeah. So these are the design problem, and also, oh, at the stage of construction also there are issues. But
issues relating to some
luckily not
workmanship is
luckily not much lives are being lost. That's right. You remember
but
the you
uh,
remember the big tragedy that happened in Gujarat. What is that place called?
sir,
Gujarat. Gujarat, a few years back, 1 or 2 years back, there was a huge tragedy. A bridge fell down. More than 150 people died and all that. आपने एक काम करो, गूगल में जाके मेजर ब्रिज डिजास्टर्स, मेजर
okay,
कंस्ट्रक्शन डिजास्टर्स,
okay, sir, I will
ऐसा
read
मत,
about this.
या ऐसा मत भी थोड़ा लर्न करके रखने से तो बढ़िया होगा.
Sir,
um,
basically,
yeah,
because safety and quality are not given priority in the construction sector, that's why these we are prone to these accidents.
I know. Yeah, that's true. But we can only talk. We cannot reduce it.
Yes, sir. But sir, here in the if we will see the metro projects or any other big infrastructure projects, the preference is given to safety and quality first during execution of the project.
Exactly. They are doing it very well in Chennai. It goes like this. The train goes underneath, then goes up and goes like this. So it's
Yes,
very
sir.
fast.
I have worked in Chennai also.
Acha? Oh, how long you were in
Yes.
Chennai?
Sir, I worked in Chennai for around 2 years.
Acha, in Lawson Tubro,
In not in Larsen Tubro, in Afcon's Infrastructure Limited.
you were doing which work there in Chennai?
We have constructed a port. I worked in port project in Chennai in Kamarajar port.
Kamarajar Port. Acha, acha, acha. Is it for Adani's or
No, sir, it was not for done. It was for government of India. Uh,
okay?
for shipment of coal or export of vehicles. So we constructed a berth on of the on nearby side of this sea.
Oh, good, good, good. You know swimming?
Uh, Sir, I am learning swimming. I right now don't know it.
You should. Acha, you said your wife is working in Bank of Maharashtra as a deputy manager.
Right, sir.
Did you ask her what is the nature of work she is supposed to do?
Yes, sir. I asked her about the nature of work. She is
What is she?
currently handling
Uh,
deposits
hmm.
in bank.
So what what do you mean by CASA deposit?
Sir, I don't have idea
Ca-
about it.
CASA deposit means current account and savings account.
Okay, sir.
Banks will ask for more of CASA or less of CASA. And why?
Okay.
They will ask for more of CASA because the cost of funds for CASA is less. See, I don't think they will ask more of banking, but even then, you must have a fair idea of what is banking, basics of banking as a common man. As a common man, आपको पता होना है. CTS का मतलब क्या?
CTS.
Check truncation system.
Check. Okay. Check truncation system. Okay.
मतलब checks are not being sent for collection, only the images are sent.
Okay, sir.
Then next question is, what is meant by CBS?
Uh, Central banking.
Core banking solution.
Core banking solution. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Core banking
Yeah.
solution.
What is the
This is
core
a
bank? What is the core banking solution Bank of Maharashtra is using? Ask her. I think it must be Finacle, Infosys
okay,
Finacle,
sir.
or TCS banks.
Okay, sir.
Then, then there can be simple questions like what is cloud computing? What is cryptocurrency? Then what is the role of NPCI? Then which debit card or which credit card are you using? Whose credit card are you using?
Sir, I'm using Axis Bank My Zone credit card.
It's okay, fine. Then why have you,
Visa type is
if
Visa.
if you tell like this, they will ask you, if why have you not taken from Punjab National Bank? You should tell this was given to me when I was working in another company where Axis Bank visited our company and offered this, something like that. Thoda batana hai.
Okay, sir. That means okay, sir. Okay, I understand.
Yeah. So that's what it is. Good. Who is the surface transport minister of our country?
Uh, Honorable Mr. Nitin Gadkari.
Correct. Then who is the consumer affairs minister?
Sir, cannot recall it.
Who is the MSME minister?
Sir, no idea.
When is the next budget to be presented?
Uh, in on 23rd of July 2024.
Up to what extent is your income exempted from tax?
Uh, Sir, uh,
Up to 7
can I-
lakhs. Now it is,
okay, that
though
slabs, yes.
the slabs, now up to
In new
7
regime,
lakhs.
yes.
Yeah, up to 7 lakhs, they are fully exempted from tax. Are, are you coming within tax bracket? Yes, I think so.
Yes, sir, I am coming in a tax bracket.
How much tax did they deduct last year for you?
Uh, Around, sir, 38,000.
Acha. Did you file the income tax return?
Yes, sir, I filed the income tax return.
Good. And are you expecting refund or normalization?
Uh, I expect refund.
Very good. Best wishes. I wish you get refund. Thank you. Your real interview is on which date? You said 22nd.
On 22nd of July, 8 a.m., sir, morning.
Very good. Now, on which date you would like to meet me again?
Sir, uh, maybe 2 days, after 2 days, I will study about the current affairs and banking related awareness. Then,
1 minute. Uh, yeah, what is Sunday this time? Sunday date.
sir, Sunday date is 21st,
Yeah, your interview is on.
22nd.
Shall we have it on Saturday? Saturday, are you having office will you be able to take
Sir,
it in the evening,
uh,
8 o'clock?
I'll manage my work schedule, sir. I'll attend the mock interview on Saturday. No issues.
Shall I make it 8 p.m.?
Yes, sir.
8 p.m. like this. Okay. You answered very well. No problem for me. And today is 17/7, na? Correct.
16/7, sir.
Achha,
In
16
your
7.
place, I think.
Sorry. 16/7. Yeah. Any questions you have?
Sir, can you guide me about the dress code, sir? What I should wear for this interview?
Dress, no, don't worry. Whatever dress you feel you are comfortable.
Sir,
Ah,
what
but
I am planning, I am planning to wear
no,
a suit,
suit, yeah. If you are comfortable with suit, you can wear. Otherwise,
gray color suit.
बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र में तो वो लोग आपको सूट एक्सपेक्ट नहीं करता है रेगुलर डे टू डे वर्किंग में मे बी पैंट फुल ऑन शर्ट inside, then belt, black color pant, sorry, black color shoes, and
Shoes.
if possible with tie. Plus,
No issues at
on
all.
the interview date, if you want to have blazer, please put it.
Yes, sir. I am planning to put a suit, full suit.
Good. You will go
And
with daddies.
sir,
You will go with daddies.
sir, I will trim it out. I will trim it,
Yeah.
not fully. I'll trim it.
No, no.
I'll.
जैसे आपको अच्छा लगता है ऐसा कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Whatever form in which you feel you are presentable to others, ऐसा कर लीजिए.
Right, sir. Sir, and one more thing. In introduction, sir, should I add something more, or is it
Introduction
fine?
में you will have to tell your native place, the degree you completed, and the BTech plus two, 10th, then any achievements in the college, then you are getting into that another company. Now you are working in this company. What are your achievements in your present company? Don't exaggerate. थोड़ा बोल दीजिए and try to tell something which is related to the work for which you are going to apply. So that way you manage that. Okay.
Sir,
Best wishes.
this introduction should be of how many minutes, roughly?
Introduction 1 minute.
1 minute. Okay.
1 minute का ज्यादा अलाउ नहीं करेगा वो लोग.
Noted, sir. Noted. And sir, what about strengths and weakness, sir? What should I say? Strengths I can uh, find, but sir, weakness, what should I say?
वीकनेस तो नहीं है. बोलो हमारा पास कोई वीकनेस नहीं है. देखा they cannot force you to say that you are got weakness and all that. But आप अभी हमको बताइए क्या weakness है आपका?
Sir, a weakness is that if someone asks me to complete the work, that this work has to be completed now itself. But I know that this work will not be able to be completed during this given time frame. Then, sir, I'll say to them straightforward that it cannot be completed today, it will be completed by tomorrow only.
अच्छा अच्छा, और you want to say that you are rather very
I
open,
am a straightforward, sir. Open and
straightforward.
straightforward, sir.
It's a good quality only. It's not a bad thing. But you can say because of this, sometimes people misunderstand me as if I am not agreeing to them. I am not willing to follow their ideas, something like. You should say why you are considering that as a this thing, and you can tell them, इसका solution तो कुछ नहीं है. There is no solution for this in that. You can't tell others a work will be completed that day itself when it cannot be completed on that day.
Because sir, it
Correct.
generally happens in our in our field. That's why I am telling you. It
अच्छा
happens here.
अच्छा. Oh, oh. Generally, that's very good. Anyhow, best wishes. You are done well. You are done
Thank you,
well.
sir.
And because your wife is also working in Bank of Maharashtra, they may expect more from you. What are the branches she has worked? What are the capacities in which she has worked? So if you get a job and if we are not able to post both of you in same place, what will you do? Some such silly questions they will ask.
Okay, sir. I'll have to think about
Prepare.
these answers. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll prepare about these answers, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a good opportunity for me to interact with you.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so
I
much.
hope I succeed in the interview. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
All the best. Best wishes.
Thank you.
Bye.